Hey rail fans, it's Bruce. I'm at Denfield Road, 3020. 8321. And this one is westbound. I have not yet heard a train number. Like we got 301 here. Is a daily westbound mixed freight, aka manifest. See off to the left there is a CP line, and I heard chatter on the scanner, and it sounds like we might be getting a CP pretty soon too. That was a harsh bang.
2231 west, you said it's still on?
2231 west, there's a CPKC Rd.
Yeah, I'd like to cancel the GDO with your GDO number.
Oh, there goes the CP. Look at that thing go. We got ourselves a train meet. Oh, that was a very short CP. I knew one was coming.
4245.
GDO number M 4245, 4245.
4245, 4245 is canceled, JD.
1653 1653, JD.
Okay, complete 1653 1653, JD. All conductor plan.
Yeah, thank you.
Got the sun a little higher in the sky there. I don't want to get a glare. And in just a moment, we should hear the defect detector with an axle count.
2231 west, answering CPKC foreman Matthew McGowan.